Hello and welcome to Microwave Me, where today I'm going to be microwaving a very unusual item, Bronco Berry sauce. I have no idea what the hell this is. It looks kind of like jelly, I guess. But either way, I know I'm going to be microwaving it in Jennie, the GE dual wave microwave. Okay, let's open her up. Stick these in like so. And I'm thinking 2 minutes should do the trick. Now let's get microwaving. Alright, let's open it up and examine the post product. It was pretty messy, but overall I'd say it was harmless. It just steamed a little bit, maybe smoked a bit. There was one brief plasma flash of the tinfoil arcing, but overall this was pretty harmless. And I would say totally worth the cleanup. I would say Bronco Berry sauce is safe to microwave.